What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on LCID ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that drives the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will show you my forecast for the probable price action. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that we almost hit this level of 0.786, and I've told you that this level also might be your accumulation point. But I warned you that we have an expiration date of lockup period, and this expiration date was on September the 1st, and I've told you that the lowest price that we might hit might be as low as $15. And basically, I didn't expect that we might go this low, and I totally missed this movement because my main assumption was that we shouldn't break even the level of 16.96, this previous bottom, in order to stay bullish, in order to remain in the impulsive structure. And I missed this forecast, and it is totally okay. Nobody is perfect, and my win rate is about 75%. But right here you have very good opportunity to enter your position, and I know that some of you who watch my video for quite some time, you took this advantage and load up your position at these lower points. And I have to say that this position might be quite profitable. But you still have to be very cautious. And let's continue with the fundamentals of this company. First of all, let's start with the company profile. For those of you who don't know, Lucid Group, a technology and automotive company, develops electric vehicles technologies. The company designs, engineers and builds electric vehicles, EV powertrains and battery systems. And for now, its total market cap, according to this data, is $33.39 billion. They have a revenue of $4.46 million with a negative net income of $1.48 billion. They have a negative revenue growth of 13.38%. And they have a pretty strong cash position even from this information. And they have $558.44 million. But we all know that this company has much more stronger position than this one. They have more than $4.4 billion because after the merger was complete, they have about $4.6 billion in cash, $4.4 billion net of expenses. And as you can see, $2.5 billion of which was from the PIPE investors, and their price was $15. And that is why we had this point as the lowest point. And let me show you that some of investors just sell their shares with only 1.5% profit. It is not so good, and that's why we have to be extremely cautious, because these investors should hold their position in order to have more profits. And this massive sell-off, and basically from this point, from the level of around $26, I've told you not to buy this share, and only these two levels was our main accumulation point, with the anticipation that we have to remain bullish, and with the anticipation of their potential delivery date that should be on Q3 2021. And let me show you this information. On August 31st, they posted this press release, and let me quote you this. Lucid Group, which is setting new standards with its advanced luxury EVs, today announced production preview week at AMP1, a series of events the week of September 27, 2021, during which Lucid will open the doors of its advanced manufacturing plant AMP1 factory in Casa Grande to members of the media and financial communities, policymakers and a select group of customers. Invited guests will be able to observe the production process for the Lucid Air and take a deep dive into Lucid advanced EV technology with the leading engineers. And let me show you this. The company's decision to open its production facility to the media indicates that it has nothing to hide and could be close to mass production. However, it also seems to hint that the EV company will not enter mass production in September, pushing the second half 2021 goal to the fourth quarter at the earliest. And this definitely is a bad sign, because I've told you that they should make first deliveries this September in order to remain bullish, in order to remain at least partially bullish. In this case, they're showing that it has nothing to hide, but they still have to have more time until first cars will hit the roads. And it is definitely not a good sign. But also, we have this continuation of their press release, and it says, guests will also have the opportunity to personally experience the Lucid Air on the road in ride-and drives and see for themselves why Motor Trend recently called the Lucid Air an absolute mic drop in its exclusive first drive review. And I have to say that if the testimonials from first customers will be exactly the same, will be full of excitement, this will drastically improve the fundamentals of this company, and this will drastically improve, first of all, the belief of retail investors and of pipe investors and of institutional investors as well to this company. And that is why, right after we will see first deliveries, and in my opinion this date will be in Q4, unfortunately, we will see a massive trend reversal and massive interest to this company. And on top of that, if they will stay in their plans to produce, let me show it to you, about 600 units in 2021, more than 20,000 units in 2022, and more than 49,000 units in 2023, this will definitely be a very good sign, but you have to remember that it is only a forecast. And if everything will be okay and they will be able to achieve these numbers, definitely this company will exceed the expectations of investors, especially those who enter their position right here at these lowest points. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what to expect next? Technically, we broke the level of 16.96, and I've told you that if we will break it, this will invalidate this massive movement to the upside, the entire structure of 5 waves, and this retracement. And technically, the lowest point of the retracement is right here for now. And I think we might have some fluctuations around these levels, and it might be quite long until we will see first cars on the roads. But this might be a very good opportunity in the long term, because from this point even to this previous swing high, we have about 70% of upside potential for this stock. And what is the bearish case? And bearish case is that we still have lower lows and lower highs from this all-time high. And technically we might see another leg to the downside, and technically we might break this level of around $15 and even go lower. But still, even in this point, I think it is less probable outcome for the price. So, and from the technical standpoint, I think that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!